Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Firstly, you need to go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. Over here. Now click on Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Then tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or denied. I will go with camera from the night section. Now apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I click and go back, I can see that camera just gained access to my device's location. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Chrome Permissions. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!